How to tell if your wig is mixed with synthetic
how
fibers.
to tell if you have synthetic mixed in fibers in your hair. As you can see, our hair moves naturally, very easily by the touch. That is one sign to tell that we don't have any plastic or synthetic mix-ins and fibers in our hair. Next, you can tell by looking at the hair. So as you see from this close-up here, there is a mixture of different brown and black fibers. Just wait a second and you'll see in the video. But you see this mixture of hair. The hair is not a solid black, it's not a solid brown, it's not a solid 1B. We even have some gray pieces in our hair texture because it is natural. It has not been mixed or dyed to look a certain color. This is why we are able to easily color our hair. This is also why our hair does not smoke or smell when heat is added for styling. This is also why our wigs last for so long. If you're looking for a quality human hair lace wig, shop with Magic Hair Company.